All right, so we're using Delight from Creative PaperClay. You have air dry modeling compound, soft and clean, non-toxic, air dries lightweight and durable, and this is the white. See?
Yeah, so we're gonna have to paint it?
You can paint it afterwards.
I
Air
wanna
dry.
put some clay on it too.
No glitters, not on this. Air dries 1 to 3 days, so it takes about 1 to 3 days to dry, depending on the thickness. Colors may be blended into it before shaping, and it can be painted after it dries. A very small amount of water may be kneaded into it to become if it becomes dry. Keep unused portions in an airtight Ziploc bag. So we'll put whatever you don't use in a Ziploc bag. All right. So what are you gonna make?
I'm looking on a floaty, relaxing.
Okay. This is not unlimited clay, so this means as soon as I open this, it's gonna start drying. Okay.
Wait, what?
As soon as I start opening this, it's going to start to dry. So you only have a certain amount of time to craft. Okay.
Oh, it's now drying. That is now drying, isn't it?
It starts to dry as soon as I take it out of this package.
Okay.
All right, here it is. I'm gonna drop it, and it's gonna be yours to craft. Ready, set,
Go.
oh, ready, set, go. You keep your sticky hands off everything, okay? Make sure you stay right here if you want to stay on camera. What do you think about the clay so far?
Fun.
Is it easy to work with?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that this is a clay that I should start buying more often?
Mm-hmm.
Is it easier to work with than the other Sculpting originals and oven baked clays?
Yeah, but I want to use some glitter with the other ones.
Maybe one day. So you like this one?
Yeah.
Is it working good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Make sure you blend these. Make sure you stay over here. You don't stay on camera. Blend. Look. Use your finger like this. Look. Watch this. Take the edge of your finger and you blend it like this.
Oh.
You look. You just see how that's such a hard edge. Watch Dave's finger. See how Dave blends it. You blend it down, and then that line kind of disappears. I'm gonna get you a little bit of water, okay? You just dip your finger in like that. No, just one time, and then you can just smooth it out. See, but then it's gonna get a little bit sticky right there. But look how smooth that is. See how it smoothed it out?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, get your major shapes done. Get your major shapes of the kitty done, and then you do this, okay? get your major shapes done first before you start adding the water, okay?
It's sticky.
Yeah, it's gonna be, and that's fine. Don't want it. It's fine. It's fine. It's a little bit sticky on your fingers. It's part of having fun with clay. Why's the body so big, small?
Because it's a kitty cat.
Yeah, but you're not blending these edges. Look, you need to blend these edges if you want it to be a strong structure. Okay? See how that's not blended right here? Look at that edge. That's gonna pull apart. So you gotta blend that. You have to blend your edges. All right, you want that head to stay on that body. See how I'm sculpting that down? That's how you create a good bond. And then that way you can create a stronger structure so your sculptures will survive the painting process. Okay, there you go. Now you're getting the hang of it. All right. But you gotta be gentle though. It's a lot of water. See how it smushes it? See how it smushes it? And then you, see, oh dear. All right, there's one leg. And just see how I'm rotating with one hand, and I'm gently pushing it with this finger.
watching.